Good morning, children. Lesson number 5, food safety. We are going to learn about the food safety, last 7th lesson. So in our last period, we learned about the factors responsible for the food spoilage. What is meant by the spoilage of food? The quality of food decreases. That means the spoilage of food. So various factors that are responsible for the food spoilage that we learned in our last video. So that now the food wastage. There are the two types of the wastage. So with the help of science and technology, India has shown a great progress in the production of various foodstuffs like cereals, fruits, vegetables, fish, as well as milk and milk products. So even so many people in our country and all over the world face the problem of the hunger. We know many people that did not get the food to eat even one day. Okay, lots of people face the problem of hunger in our world. So many do not get even one meal of a day. Hence, it is our duty to prevent the wastage of food whenever it takes place. Now, today is our topic. We are going to learn about the food wastage. So, how to prevent the food wastage? The wastage of food, there are in two ways. That is the quantitative wastage of food and qualitative wastage of food. So let's learn what is meant by the quantitative wastage of food and qualitative wastage of food. So quantitative waste, quantity means in large amount, okay? A type of loss in which food is spoiled before reaching the consumers, that is the quantitative wastage of food. So wrong methods of farming, in many ways quantitative wastage of food takes place. So wrong method of farming like hand sowing of seeds, sometimes hand sowing of seeds is responsible for the wastage of food. Then inadequate threshing also responsible. Then improper storage and wrong methods of distribution are some reasons for the quantitative wastage of food. So besides, much food is wasted as a result of the custom of offering and savoring too much food to guests and traditional feasts or banquets. So these are the reasons for the quantitative wastage, means large amount of food waste due to quantitative wastage of food, means quantity means large quantity of food waste due to the quantitative wastage of food. Then the peoples have to face the quantitative wastage of food. The big problem due to quantitative wastage of food. Now the qualitative wastage of food. Quality means its quality reduced. So using wrong methods of protecting food. Then excessive use of food preservatives, that if you use the excessive preservative, it decreases its quality of food. फूड की क्वालिटी रिड्यूस हो जाती है, उसका टेस्ट भी रिड्यूस हो जाता है, टेस्ट भी. ओवर कुकिंग ऑल्सो वेस्टेज द क्वालिटी ऑफ द फूड आइटम. अगर फूड ज्यादा से ज्यादा ओवर कुक हो गया तो उसका टेस्ट बदल जाता है, और टेस्ट अच्छी नहीं रही तो हम लोग उसको नहीं खाएंगे तो फूड अल्टीमेटली इट वेस्ट द फूड. Then washing the vegetables after cutting them. If you wash the vegetable after cutting, its nutrients loss. Many leafy vegetables, that loss its taste. If you cut the fruits after cutting, its taste loss, और उसकी क्वालिटी भी अच्छी नहीं लगेगी, इसका टेस्ट अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, हम लोग उसको नहीं खाएंगे. That means the qualitative wastage of food takes place. Then mishandling of fruits like grapes and mangoes. अगर आप उसको अच्छे से हैंडल नहीं कर पाएंगे, मैंगोस को अच्छे से नहीं रखेंगे, ग्रेप्स को अच्छे से नहीं रखेंगे, तो उसकी क्वालिटी वेस्ट हो जाएगी, उसका टेस्ट भी उसका अच्छे से नहीं आएगा। जैसे बनाना है वो चिपचिपा हो जाएगा, चिपचिपा होगा उस मतलब वो हमें अच्छे से नहीं दिखेगा, तो हम लोगों की उसको खाने की इच्छा नहीं होगी। इन दिस वे द क्वालिटेटिव वेस्टेज ऑफ फूड टेक्स प्लेस। Then miscalculation of time required to transport food from producers to the consumers are some of the causes of qualitative wastage of food. Many reasons are found due to the qualitative wastage of food. उसकी क्वालिटी ही डिक्रीज हो जाएगी, अच्छी क्वालिटी के फूड्स नहीं मिलेंगे हमें, अच्छी क्वालिटी का फूड आइटम्स नहीं मिलेगा, क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं रहेगी तो वो उसका टेस्ट अच्छा नहीं रहेगा, टेस्ट नहीं अच्छा लगेगा तो हम लोग उसको नहीं खाएंगे। दैट मीन्स द qualitative wastage of food takes place. So these are the two methods, that is quantitative method and qualitative method of wastage of food. Now the what can you do, you prevent the food wastage and spoilage. How you can stop, how you can prevent the food wastage. So there are various steps. Then serve yourself only as much as you can eat. कि जैसे हम लोग पार्टी में देखते, बफे में देखते, बर्थडे पार्टीज में देखते, तो क्या करते लोग, बहुत सारा खाना डिश में ले लेते हैं, है ना। तो जितना खाना है आपको, जितनी भूख है, जितना खाना आपको खाना है उतना ही खाना डिश में लेना चाहिए। सो यू कैन नॉट वेस्ट द फूड, द फूड इज वेरी मच इम्पोर्टेंट। So serve yourself only as much as you can eat. जितना ही प्लेट में लेना चाहिए उतना हम लोग खा सकते हैं। Okay? Then avoid overcooking food. Overcooking of food reduce the taste of the food and so quality of the food. जो overcook food भी नहीं करना चाहिए, जितना कुकिंग अवेलेबल, जितना उसको अमाउंट में कुकिंग करना है उतना ही फूड करना चाहिए। Then avoid throwing away leftover food. Reuse it in a proper way. If the food is in more quantity, so please reuse the food or avoid throwing away leftover food. Then buy only as much grains, vegetables, fruits, meals, etc. as you need. Avoid the temptation to make excessive परचेसेस। लोगों की आदत होती है कि बहुत सारा लेके रख देते हैं, है ना, और बहुत दिन तक वैसे रखने से क्या होगा, फूड खराब हो जाता है। लाइक ग्रेन्स, पल्सेस, उसको जल्दी से कीड़े लग जाते हैं, है ना। वेजिटेबल्स ऑल्सो यू हैव टू स्टोर इट प्रॉपरली। इफ द यू हैव अ स्टोरेज प्रॉपरली देन द फूड प्रिजर्व फॉर द फ्यूचर। सो इतना ही लेना चाहिए। डू नॉट बाय द फूड as much. Okay, buy only as much grains, vegetables, fruits and milk. And milk भी आपको पता है कि वो भी ज्यादा दिन तक रहने से खराब हो जाता है। So don't purchase the excessive food items. Okay, then store grains and other perishable food stuff like vegetables, fruits, milk using proper method. Refrigerators used to store the proper food. Some chemicals also that available in market, that are the preservatives, so use that preservatives to store the food. Fruits also preserve properly. Then check the expiry date of bottles, can, packed food and use within the time. मार्केट में जो भी चीजें मिलती है खाने की उसके ऊपर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डेट और एक्सपायरी डेट लिखी रहती है। तो एक्सपायरी डेट होने से क्या होता है, वो फूड आइटम्स आप लोग यूज नहीं कर सकते, फेंक देते हो। फेंक देने से क्या होगा, फूड आइटम्स वेस्ट हो जाते हैं। तो प्लीज बाय इट, check the expiry date of the food item and manufacture date of the food item and use within the time. Okay, उसको भी टाइम लिमिट में यूज करना है। कोई लिखा रहता है ना फूड आइटम्स पे कि 6 मंथ्स के पीरियड में यूज करो, उसको 1 साल के पीरियड में यूज करो। सो यूज इट ऑन टाइम। Then eat all the food that you have served yourself. Okay, so these are the some methods can you do to prevent the wastage and spoilage of the food? And it is a very much important. So the food storage and preservation, some methods are given to how to preserve the food items. So we learn about the various methods of the safe storage of food, like freezing, drying, boiling, airtight packaging. So these are the some methods of food storage. Apply these methods to storage the food items. These different methods prevent the growth of microorganisms in food and thereby they save the food from the spoiling. आपने देखा होगा usually in the summer season आपकी जो मम्मी होती है that सुखा के रखती है कोई चीज, पापड़ मिर्ची बना के है ना, अचार बना के रखती है. So they use some preservative and that preserve the food for whole year. So these are the some methods that protect the food items. So food protection and food preservation. So lots of methods are there. Food protection means food preservation of food, spoilage by the microorganisms, growth and infections by pest in the food protection. That is the food protection. So food preservation. So use the various preservatives. We are available in the market, lots of preservatives to preserve the food items. So for a long period of time. So food spoilage due to internal factors is called the food preservation. Food processing practices which prevent the growth of microorganisms such as yeast and some process of treating and handling food such a way as the food item we should have to preserving. Many methods are given in your textbook how to preserve the food items. So let's see various methods. First method is the freezing. You know we have refrigerators. So many can be many food items like fruits, vegetables. We freeze it. जो peas होती है peas को हम लोग freeze करके रखते हैं. Then it's a biological and chemical reaction in the food. Materials are slow down the low temperature. Freezer का temperature कभी कभी माइनस में होता है, 0 डिग्री से भी बिलो होता है, and we can preserve by freezing various food items. As a result, food remains in good condition for a longer period of time. That's why refrigerators are used in the kitchen to preserve the various food items. Okay, freezing means low temperature के ऊपर उसको treat करके food items हम लोग preserve करके रख सकते हैं. So we use the refrigerators. Okay. Then smoking. Smoking is another method. So what happens in smoking? Food is preserved with the help of smoke. That is aluminum phosphide is used in this method. With the help of smoking, we can preserve meat, fish, nuts, etc. Okay. So then use of insecticides. Various insecticides are used that available in market, so which preserve the food items. Malathion is sprayed on the gunny bags containing food grains. So malathion एक insecticide है. That insecticide spreads on the gunny bag, जिसमें grain store करते हैं वो bags के ऊपर वो spray करते हैं, and you can preserve the food grains for a long period of time by using insecticides. Okay. हम लोग जैसे कि चावल है, राइस को हम लोग बोरिक एसिड लगा के रखते हैं ना, उसमें क्या होता है, उसमें इंसेक्ट की ग्रोथ नहीं होती है. दैट बोरिक एसिड इज अवेलेबल इन मार्केट टू प्रिजर्व द राइस. देन अनदर मेथड दैट इज द irradiation. Irradiation is one of the method. So in this method, food is exposed to ionizing radiations such as high energy electrons emitted by accelerators, X-rays, gamma rays emitted by radioactive isotopes. So this process destroy the microbes present in the food items, insects also, and shelf life of fruits increases due to increasing ripening period. The shelf life of potatoes and onions increases due to slow down sprouting. आपको पता है कि पोटैटोस को आप लोग वैसे ही रखो, बहुत दिन तक जो स्प्राउट आना शुरू होता है उसके ऊपर छोटे छोटे green colored outgrowths grows out. So this prevent by the shelf life of, that is irradiation. Okay. Then use of inert gas. Some gases are used to store the food. That is the nitrogen gas is filled in airtight packets of potato wafers and other food products, thus preventing the growth of fungi and insects in them. जो मार्केट में वेफर्स मिलते, दैट इज चिप्स मिलते, पोटैटो चिप्स मिलते, या अनदर फूड आइटम्स का पैकेट्स के अंदर रहता है सब लोग, है ना. सो दैट नाइट्रोजन गैस इज यूज्ड to preserve these food items. Okay. Then next, use of preservative. Some natural preservatives are used, some are naturally available material like salt. हम लोग अचार बनाते तो उसको सॉल्ट में डाल, ज्यादा से ज्यादा सॉल्ट डाल के रखते. Then we prepare chips, पापड़ जो बनाते गर्मी के सीजन में, उसमें हम लोग सॉल्ट डाल के ज्यादा रखते, उसको सुखा के रखते. So these are the natural preservative. We can use this throughout the year by using that natural preservatives. Okay, jams, jellies, मुरब्बा, पेठा, उसमें हम लोग मुरब्बा में क्या शक्कर ज्यादा से ज्यादा डाल के रखते हैं. So sugar, salt, oil are used as a natural preservatives. Okay. Then chemical preservatives are also available in market, like acetic acid means the vinegar. Vinegar is a chemical preservative. We use this vinegar. Then citric acid also chemical preservative. Then sodium benzoate is a preservative. Then some nitrate and nitrite salts are some examples of chemical preservatives. They are used in sauces, jellies, jams, used. Then packages, ready to cook vegetables and ready to eat foods. These preservatives keep the food safe for a very long time. So these are the chemical preservatives. Okay. So this methods we use for the food protection. Then next is the pasteurization. Pasteurization is the method that involves heating the milk. You know, in market we available a pasteurized milk is available in market. तो pasteurization में क्या करते हैं? The food stuff heat up to a certain temperature. Food stuff को जो भी milk है और other food items है that heat up to a certain temperature, that is milk heat up to 80-degree temperature, 80 degree Celsius temperature for 15 minutes. दूध को 80 डिग्री टेम्परेचर के ऊपर बॉईल करते हैं, हीट करते हैं, then cool it quickly. After 15 minutes heating, then that milk cool it quickly. This destroy the microbes present in the milk and keep it for a longer duration. So this is the pasteurization method to store the milk. So various methods we see in methods of protection. We know the great scientist, so the microbiologist Louis Pasteur developed a technique of preserving the quality of food by raising the temperature to prevent microbiological growth in the food item. So this methods we learn. Now you have to do it. You have to read the lesson thoroughly. It's your homework. Okay, children. So next period we will continue the another term. Bye, everyone.